This is part 2 on how to create your own cryptocurrency using wallet builders. So I'm going to head back into my Gmail. Let's go into more. It ended up in my spam folder for some reason. Your coin is ready. Let's go here. And now we have Among Us coin. Our node hosting for the coin expired. This doesn't really matter because you can just host your own coin on your computer. But now I can download my own wallet. Let's download it. And just give it a second. Okay. And our Among Us coin wallet downloaded. Let's extract it. Let's reopen it. And yes, this might happen. For me, it needed a security scan. And now we can open it up. Just run it anyway. Use the default directory. And now we have Among Us coin core. And there we go. Now we have our very own cryptocurrency wallet. I have no idea how to mine with this script algorithm. Yeah, this is script proof of work, which is based off of Litecoin, so I have no idea how to do that. And yeah, you can upgrade your free coin to a paid coin. I would highly suggest this if you're gonna post on CoinMarketCap and the GraphX Exchange and Coinbase and whatever. You get 1 month of node hosting, create new wallets with custom logos, and you get tons of more tutorials that you can actually use. And then here's their other services for the Raspberry Pi, for the Mac OS, node hosting. You have to do this if you're going to go serious with your cryptocurrency. And this is the paper wallet, which is a physical wallet. Okay, and that's all you need to know for now. Bye.